Hello, I'm Francois.
And I am Fang.
Learning to dance well is like speaking a language fluently.
Isn't it exciting? Now you can learn how to dance at your own home.
Francois and Fang dance DVDs are great and easy to learn from. I'm learning so much.
In 2010, more than 19 million viewers were tuned in every week to watch Dancing with the Stars.
When it comes to learning music, by the DVDs, Konpa and Fong, they are the best.
Step-by-step process has never been easier, illustrated by Francois and Fong.
And you can learn so much in a short period of time because you're working at your own pace.
The secret ingredient of dancing by Francois and Fong that will make others ask you to dance.
I've been learning a lot from the DVDs. Francois is a very good teacher, and dancing keeps me very happy.
So let's get started. Call now, 954-394-3159.
I'm telling you, I save time, I don't have to go anywhere. I just stay on my privacy and learn, the steps, they are the best.
When you step back, she step back, going back with the right foot, and gentlemen going back with the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back step, forward step, back step, forward step, back step, forward step. Facing one direction, which is straight. You can see. And the same thing can be done in the close facing. So I can go forward direction to the left again, to the right, forward, and back. And repeat facing one direction. Now, after all those basics, the next is how you realign yourself with the room, as I said, using accurate amount of them. Now, I decide if I'm more alert, I can make it quarter turn. And if I'm good enough, I'll make a half turn. Exit. It's all calculated like and I leave it up. So in the first position, I'm going to do my basic using a quarter turn. And I can do my basic music, making a half turn. As you can see, the speed of the movement is faster. It is more accurate. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, back step, forward step, back, forward, back. There's a separation. Back, forward, back, forward. Back step. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back step, forward step, back step, forward step. I go for the words now. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to go back on 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. You see my left foot is supporting this statement. 1. And then we have the hips action. My left foot stays in place. I never move my toe from the floor. This is my one leg. Every time you step, what happens? If you do it in place, that's what you get. 1, 2. Now you can extend the hips action using my rib cage as the acronym. And that's what we take out of the Konpa. And my shoulder is not fixed. So I'm using my hips with the rib cage to create notation of the step, of the body line, my posture. So what do you see? I am 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at the notation, the natural notation of my posture, the body line. This is a lot of the calculation. So the hips action happen with the rib cage. I create an S line with my body. and my shoulders are straight. And of course, this is how in 16th century they used to train military. Strengthen their imagination. It's a military dance. Starting in Haiti, called the merengue. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at this. So this movement is what's interpreted with the music. Let's try to put the music on the maestro. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I want the hips and I set the line. And I can make a lot of turn. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. On 3, 4, I get it up now. Now we're going to create a little basic combination when you go out there to look like a pretty dancer. You're going to go. The first step we are learning is the close position. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and repeat it before changing direction. Maestro, we're going to start with left foot. Gentlemen, ladies, you start with right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To the left, to the right, forward and back. Maestro, music. Ready? Let's start with right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mid-beat. Okay, one thing. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's why I do this. One thing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Yes, you almost missed it. Excellent. 10, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4. Okay. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. One must be seen. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Five, six, seven, eight.
May we get motivated soon.
Five, six, seven, eight. Five, six, seven, eight. What then? 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 21. Five, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. Thank you. 5, 6, 7, 8, 21. Walk. Stay where you are. Stop the music first now. I will show you. You dance folklore, right? Yes. I will show you the difference between folklore and the ballroom. And of course, all the ballroom dances came from folklore. And you see, I don't have to teach her anything. Because she adds something in there that's natural. Play the music and I'll give you a little demonstration. Just the same movement. You will see sometime when I say about the end. The way to count the beats. There are 4 main beats. Every music between 4 main beats in a bar. In between each beat, there is a space that's the time to say end. So you don't count 1, 2, 3, 4 like analog 1, 2, 3, 4. You count and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Konpa used to be. They changed the it's the time you have to create the hips action. Music is here. The music is here. It's in my heartbeat. And what I feel is the speed of my heartbeat will be the same as the speed of my partner heartbeat. Through the pulse will connect together. And the flow of energy is the same thing how we communicate. What I feel from here, look at my the left hand. I connect it because I want what I'm sending to her to feel the flow of the mind and the music will guide us on the dance floor. And. 1. Not and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Look at every part of her body is moving. Every muscle is working. Let's give her a big hand for me.